Well, if you like to kiss or you like onion rings, a pretty good day for you. It's National Onion Ring Day, National Kissing Day, and if neither one of those appeal to you, we'll celebrate National Pollinator Week. All right, enough about that. Let's jump into the markets. Corn market, and we are in the red. December at 4.40 1/4. That's down 3 3/4 cents. We have beans trading. Again, beans have lost about 4% of their value month over month. But November at 11.44 1/4, it's a penny and a half higher. Let's look at the rest of the complex here before we get to the wheat market. We're lower with soy meal contracts for the third straight session, and bean oil now trying to rebound after 4 straight days of losses. Here's the wheat market. Chicago in the red, trading just a tick above $6. It's 5.5 lower here on the session. Hard red down 7 1/4, 6.36 3/4. And then we have the cotton market. Pretty good week for cotton, up 4% after that big pullback 2 weeks ago, 79.90, and it's up 23. We're not talking cotton, but what are we talking about? He's a certified crop advisor with the mill in Whitehall, Maryland. It's Ben Hushon. And Ben, I recognize that. That's wheat. What's happening?
Good morning. We'll get there in just a moment. Tony, for the viewers, I sent in some video that spent some time Friday and Saturday gathering of the barley harvest. Barley's not a huge crop in our area, but it is certainly significant. And a lot of growers will use that to get combine rolling, get some double crop soybeans planted, etc. And it's interesting because if anybody's been paying attention to agriculture news, you'll see about 50 miles south of us, our friend Mark Sultenfuss, it told us that there was a late freeze that pretty much eliminated their barley. In fact, folks pretty much went in and chopped it. It pretty much froze the heads as they were trying to form. Here we are, just 50 miles north, and barley harvest wrapping up probably today, and the yields have been tremendous. Good test weight, moisture bouncing in that 13, 14 range. Especially excited about a new European variety that's come over and is we'll just say yields tremendous. Now, for those folks that are looking at the forecast that you just heard, we've got some much needed rain on the way. Pretty concerned about that rain if it brings wind with it. And if you can tell or not, it's pretty windy here right now. In fact, my camera's rocking. I'm not, the camera is. But behind me, for the viewers, we already have wheat down in many cases. Now, it's not terrible. Some areas are a struggle. And of course, anytime wheat or barley goes down, it slows harvest down, makes the grain wetter, causing you to have to dry it, makes the straw certainly also a lot wetter. So just brings a lot of headaches. And it's a shame because this wheat that I'm standing in right now has been treated like a princess up till this point. We've applied the nitrogen. We've added a fungicide early. We've added a second fungicide to prevent, Fusarium head blight. We're there. Looked at this field a couple weeks ago and a lot of others. No Fusarium head blight concerns at all. But we're not quite ready to harvest. Checking a little bit, still a little gummy, but I'd say in another week, we're hoping this doesn't go down anymore, nor any of the other fields in the community.
Yeah, great points there, and thanks for sharing that, Ben. Ben Hushon is with the mill in Whitehall, Maryland. Back in a moment, more markets on Market Day Report.